ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to buckle up because I got a feeling the next 2 weeks are going to be super duper crazy. And right now, we've just had a 7.3 magnitude earthquake, and we have a tsunami warning off the coast of Japan near Fukushima. Yeah, 2022 needs to slow down, says Eric Fagel-Ding, but with all the planets direct for about another 2 months, and Pluto, Mars, Venus, and Earth in a straight line, and then Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, and Neptune in a straight line, and also Venus being besieged by Mars and Saturn, you can expect things to keep getting 2022 here. And the earthquake follows 3 M-class flares in the last 2 days. And then we got 2 M-class flares within the last 24 hours as the sun has been waking up and heading towards solar maximum. And even though the spring equinox isn't for 100 more hours, it seems like the severe weather part of spring has already started. The National Weather Service is like, hey, a several-day stretch of severe storms for the southern states seems likely through the end of the week, with strong winds, large hail, and a few tornadoes possible. So we're talking like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there will be lookouts in multiple states for the possibility of severe weather. And so a lot of indications are that things are going to be crazy on like every single level for at least until like the middle of April, at least like April 7th, April 10th. That is my guesstimation. You can hold me to it. And so A, pray for peace. B, stay weather aware. C, stay cool. D, keep a sense of humor. And did you see that coronal mass ejection? So that looks like it might have geo-effective, meaning affect Earth. And then look at this CME that just happened moments ago. And not only is there a lot happening in the weather world, but there is a lot happening on every other aspect of the worldly world. It looks like the 7.3 earthquake in Japan was 33 kilometers deep. And so it could have been shallower, but I still think that's enough to stay aware for a tsunami lookout. Yeah, so strange days indeed. And these are probably definitely the most unstable times in my 8 years as your planetary defense commander. But I am a wild optimist that things will work out, and towards the end of spring, things will be a whole lot better. So we will all have to stay tuned, stay aware, stay prepared, and stay cool. And remember, when the sun acts weird, earth weather acts weird, volcanoes and the earthquakes act weird, and then people kind of lose their minds. So, do your best to stay cool. And it looks like right now, parts of England are getting hit hard with some rain. You've also got a historic heat wave in Asia going on. Asian heat wave, March 15th, was extremely hot in China. The city of Chongqing recorded a 33.3 Celsius, and then Zhengjing recorded a 34.6 Celsius. And so Japan broke or tied many more monthly records of the highest temperature. It's a historic heat wave and a tsunami watch plus a 7.3 earthquake. And then in Kamchatka, amazing views of a new extrusive eruption of the, whatever, you can say that at home for yourself, volcano. You have viscous lava oozing into the existing lava dome. So yeah, things are definitely getting wild and super duper crazy. So everybody stay cool, and we'll make it through. And I don't know if you heard, but THORnews hit its fundraiser goal for March. So I just wanted to say again, super duper absolute mega thank you to Asteroid Fight Club and George, Joel, Robert, Rix, Greg, Shay, Darlene, Megan, Michelle, Shams, Wizard of Oz, Texas Angel, Alexis, Dan, Ann, Bruce, Patricia, Max, KJ, Brian, Marlita, Lightsel, Glenda, Barbara, Richard, Lauren. Keeping this video short because there's a tsunami warning. I'll talk to you guys later today. Stay cool. It's going to be a crazy day. It's going to be a crazy week. Just keep the faith. God bless everyone. May peace rule over Earth eventually.